Hello, this is Alex here today, and today I'm going to talk about something called the Warka water tower. Um, the Warka water tower is first used by Italian artists in Ethiopia, and in Ethiopia they actually have a lot of coastal interaction from the Gulf of Aden and the Red Sea. So with their climate, while it is mostly desert, they do get a lot of humidity and from all the ocean. So I want to try something like that here. It was reported that in Ethiopia you get about 25 gallons of water a day with a 30-foot tall model. So I want to try something here with a little bit smaller model. As you can see here, this one is about 10 feet at most. And I want to see if a version of the Warka water tower could work well in the Sonoran Desert. So I tried it, and as we can see here, this is all local materials. Here, these are saguaro ribs from the dead cactus around here. These are all of this wood around there. That is creosote, also native. And then all the string was just from hay bales. So it's all reused, it didn't cost me a dime. So one of the biggest things was to get drinking water, or any kind of water really, or even for plants, as effective as possible. And this, the Warka water tower seemed like it might be a good method for that. So I tried it about 7 weeks ago and built it and put it up. The first week it did get fairly warm, and it got about 6 ounces at most a day for that week. The following weeks, though, the daytime temperatures and nighttime temperatures there wasn't as big of a contrast, and it was slightly cooler during the day, so I think that might have affected it, and it didn't really collect any water then. So what I've realized is that for this to really work, it takes a large shift in daytime and nighttime temperatures. So it may actually be better during the summer and other hotter seasons of the year rather than the winter. So here I built this, and so far, after that first week, it hasn't really performed well at all. Usually when it does work, there will be dew on the ground or other places. But even during this week, when there is, it's still not collecting much. I think the primary reason for that is, this structure is designed to capture air out of the water. It's meant to capture gaseous air and form of humidity in the air and pull it out. But with this, there's not really enough water in the air to begin with here, so that really affects it and how well it performs. So overall, I would say it's not really effective in the Sonoran Desert. But since it's only been 7 weeks, I think it might actually be beneficial to try it longer, at least through the course of a year, to see maybe if it works better in other parts of the year, like the summer, or maybe late spring, when it's warmer. So for now, I'm going to say it's inconclusive, but so far it doesn't seem to be working very well.